Hey guys, I'm Roshni and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do an Eid makeup look. And first of all, a very happy Eid Mubarak to all of my friends. And let's get started.
First, I'm gonna use Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder as my base for my eyeshadow. For my eyeshadow, I'm using Nykaa's Just Wink It eyeshadow palette in Peach Sorbet. And I'm using these two shades from the palette, the dark one for the crease and the light one for the eyelids. To give some definition, I am applying the dark shade onto my crease with this brush and blending it in very well. Next, for my waterline, I am using Lakme Eyeconic Kajal in the color black. For eyeliner, I am again using Lakme's Insta liner in the color black. Before going on to mascara, I am curling my eyelashes using this eyelash curler. For mascara, I am using my all-time favorite L'Oreal's mascara, Lash Paradise, and I am applying it to both my upper lashes and lower lashes. Moving on to my skin, I am using a moisturizer, and this one's from Biotique, Bio Coconut Moisturizer, and applying it to both my face and neck. To make my makeup last longer, I am using a primer from Maybelline Master Prime and applying it to my T-zone area and to areas where I tend to sweat. Next, I'm going to use Pond's White Beauty BB Cream in the shade Medium. and applying it to both my face and neck. Concealer, I am using Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer in the shade Honey. And I am applying it under my eyes, my T-zone area, on the dark spots that I have, and blending it really well with my fingers. To set my base, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light Medium. For contouring, I am using Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette, and I am blending it in very well to have a natural look. For blush, I am using Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Wine. Moving on to my eyebrows, I am using Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. For highlighter, I'm using my current favorite highlighter from Nykaa, Strobe and Glow in the shade Glazed Bronze. To my favorite part of the makeup, I'm applying a lipstick, and this one's from Nykaa in the shade Break a Leg.
I hope you loved this look, and until next time, take care, bye bye.